Thank you very much, everybody. I am Dr. Shokti Podoshit. I am discussing step by step cancerous group of remedy. In previous first part and second part, I was discuss cancerous group primarily. I want to discuss descriptively cancerous one. You know, 5 plants are taken in cancerous group of remedy: Colophyllum thalictroides, Conium maculatum, Pimpinella saxifraga rastoxicodendron, and Vincea toxicum officinalis. Out of 5 plants, only 4 plants are common plants which are present all cancerous or all original group of cancerous medicine. Out of 5 plants, only Colophyllum thalictroides is the special plants in cancerous one. As per mixture of 5 plants, when cancerous one was prepared according to specifications on the process of coagulation process, when cancerous one was prepared, then its chief of action was found most of 3 system. Number 1 system, reproductive system. Number 1 system is reproductive system. Number 2, extra and intra cell and tissue. Number 3, central nervous system. As per action, as per systems, field of action was found in cancerous one, in the cell, tissue, genitalia, gland, brain, spine, urinary organs, womb, that means female genital organ, ovaries, skin, that means cutaneous and subcutaneous cell and tissue. Its action was found. It chiefly acts on the female genital organ and minorly on the genital of the male. Female genital organs and male genital, minorly it acts on male genital organ. Number 2, it has the capacity to protect the decomposition of cell and tissue, that means polymerization. Decomposition of cell and tissue, that means polymerization. It sedates, number 3, sedates the spinal functions but stimulates the sexual functions. Number 4, it positive dose, of this medicine, it increases the secretions of the serous and mucous membrane, and negative dose of this medicine reduces the same. Number 5, it improves the product of metabolism. Product of metabolism. Number 6, it is the remedy of glands, and which it acts upon the mucous membrane. It gives the proper development of fetus in case of female fetus, and increases the secretion of breast milk after delivery, when the mother's milk was shortage, then we may use the cancerous ovum shortage for the secretion of breast milk. Stimulates the labor and makes the delivery easy and painless delivery. As per composition of cancerous one, its medicinal properties was found anti-cancerous. That means a drug that cures cancer and ulcers. Number two, anti-scrofulous, a drug that reduces the inflammation of the scrofulous gland. It has the syphilitic function. That means a drug that cures the ulcerations of the external gland, genitals, and antilytic functions. It has antilytic function. That means a drug that cures the stones and prevents further formation. Cures the stone and also prevents the stone accumulation, stone function. Antiperiodic, it a drug that cures periodic diseases like malaria, and it acts as nervine alternative. Nervine means a drug which acts on the nerve, and alternative, a drug which corrects the disorder process of nutrition and restores the normal functions of an organ and or systems. And it acts as a anti-rheumatic. Anti-rheumatic means a drug that cures the rheumatism and joint pain. Anti-inflammatory. Cancerous one acts as a anti-inflammatory. Anti-inflammatory means that which a drug which acts as reduces the inflammation. And tonic, it's energy producing drug. As per composition, as per action, as per medicinal properties, we can see the cancerous one is known as a woman's remedy because it has the power to cure all gynecological disorders of the female. That means it acts on the female genital in all stages such as puberty, development of ovary, uterus, etc. It gives the proper development of fetus, stimulates the labor and makes the delivery quick and easy and painless. If it regularly taken during the whole period of the pregnancy, it increases the secretion of breast milk when it is not secret sufficient for requirement of the newborn baby. It cures the diseases like amenorrhea, uterine disorders, mastitis, habitual abortion due to uterine debility, cancer of the uterus, hysteria, etc. It is the specific remedy for inflammations of the vagina and uterus. It acts nicely on the entire glands like lymphatic glands, salivary glands, tonsil glands, etc. It also acts on the mucous and serous membranes of the throat, nose, mouth, male female genital organs. So it cures the diseases like ulcers, cancers, tumor, indurations, suppurations of the glands, mucus, discharge from pharynx, bronchus, bronchi, bronchia, nose, ear, eyes, vagina, uterus, etc. It also cures the fistula, warts, carbuncles, lupus, boils, ulcers, polypus, diphtheria, cough, quinsy, gonorrhea, catarrh of the throat and larynx, and cancer of the breast and uterus. As per description of cancer also 1, we may found cancer also 1 acts on disorder of brain, cancer, goiter, acts on glands, fistula, boils, carbuncles, abscess of the mammary gland, breast pain, amenorrhea, dysmenorrhea, menorrhagia, ovarian cyst, ovaritis, displacement of wombs, leukorrhea, easy birth, abortion, miscarriage, ascites, accumulation of fluid in the abdomen, peritoneal cavity, peritonitis, cancer of anus, gout, smallpox, tuberculosis, wounds, orchitis, swelling of gum, diabetes, vertigo, scurvy, diseases of the mucous membrane of nose, throat, ears, eyes, tumors, indurations and suppurations of the glands, warts, lupus, boils, ulcers, polypus, diphtheria, cough, quinsy, gonorrhea, catarrh of the throat and larynx, etc., etc. All doctors and practitioners are requested to follow next video step by step and subscribe and like this video.